Now, this slide was not in our original package of slides, but having gone through the overview of classical philosophy, or at least the pre-Socratic philosophy, I think it's important to look at this. And it's another problem in the discipline of metaphysics about reality, and it's kind of a more general problem. The problem of the mind-body problem, sort of a more specific problem in ontology. Ontology being the study of being. Ontos is the Greek word for is or exists. So it's what things really are real. And the question is, what is the nature of reality, or what kinds of substances exist? And we're going to see, again, like that last question, the mind-body problem, there's one position people take is there's only one kind of substance. And now we're not talking about just what kind of things are people, but in the entire cosmos, the entire universe, there's only one kind of thing. And a contrasting position is that there are several basic kinds of things. Now, within and with regard to the position that there are several kinds of things, one kind of thing are physical things, the things we encounter, in everyday life: desks, chairs, tables, wood, glass, that kind of stuff. I guess maybe in those days they didn't encounter glass. And then there are these souls, minds, the thing we're thinking with. And also there are even other kinds of things that are sort of mental in a certain way. That is, there are ideas or concepts, like a triangle, a number, etc. Now, a contrasting position, which is a monistic position, just like for the mind-body problem, is physicalism. That is, everything in the universe that exists is material. You, me, the desk, the table, the chairs, everything. The cats, the dogs, the cows, the pigs, everything in the universe, the sun, everything that exists is a material thing. Then again, as with the mind-body problem, there is the position of idealism. That is, that the only things that exist are ideas or concepts, like numbers, triangles, and some people put souls or minds in this group, that they're the same kind of things. Minds are the same kind of things that ideas. I guess in order to have an idea, it has to be an idea. If people think in some kind of mind, that's the only place it could be. So this is kind of a slide depicting what the answers to the general question of ontology. What's the nature of reality? What kind of substances are there? This slide helps us understand what the positions are. And later we're going to come back and we're actually going to look at which philosophers kind of fit into which positions, because it'll help us understand what the pre-Socratic philosophers were claiming.